Yo, my man, stop wasting cash on AI video subs right now. I found a secret cheat code for unlimited pro-level AI videos, 100% free for everyone. No credits, no limits, just pure magic. You're not gonna believe this one, bro. Let's cook.
All right, let's get down to business, my man. Head over to arena.ai, links right in the description. You might remember it as LM Arena, but it's been rebranded to just Arena. And dude, it is cleaner and faster than ever. Just log in with your Google account and you're straight into the secret lab. No complicated setup, just pure AI power. Now, here's how we cook. Hit that Generate Video button in the prompt box. Got a sick photo you want to animate? Just click the plus icon, upload it, and add your prompt. Or if you've got a vision in your head, just go full text to video. Type your prompt, hit enter, and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Check the quality of these results, bro. Here's the cool part. Arena generates 2 videos, A and B, using random top-tier models like Kling or Luma. You don't know which is which. Pick your favorite, and only then it reveals which AI monster created it. It's like a secret weapon showdown, and you get the best of the best for free. But hold up, before you bounce, look at these. I'm talking about pro food marketing posters created in just one click. I'm dropping a full how-to on this in the next video. If you want that secret sauce, drop a "we want" in the comments right now. Let's hit 500 comments and I'll drop the tutorial. That's it for today, fam. If this saved your time and money, smash that subscribe button and join our Patreon community for the real elite stuff. Follow us on Facebook for daily AI hacks that'll keep you ahead of the game. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.